Hello and welcome to jkkmobile.com again, this time from CeBIT 2010 and with Archos. And what we have here is the Archos new home tablet. So mobile looking device but targeted to home use, so home surfing, movies, videos, podcasts and so on. So let's look a little bit closer what they have offer on this particular device. So what you see here is a 7-inch 800 by 480 pixel screen, resistive touchscreen. It feels responsive, but of course, as a fashion nowadays is capacitive, you may think it's not good enough, but actually it's really nice. Only light touch needed, so that's a good thing. And as it's 7-inch screen, the keyboard is also quite huge, so it's pretty easy to type on that. So let's try JKK Mobile on it. Of course you have to stretch a bit to the center, but with one hand it's even easier. So as you can see, Android running on it, working perfectly, no problems here. So this is now a home device, so the connection options are only Wi-Fi. This is not meant for mobile use, but the good news is that actually the pricing is really nice. 2 gigabyte version is only 145 euros, where the 8 gigabyte goes up to 170, so not bad for pricing. On the CPU wise, this is using the older ARM9 CPU platform, so no Cortexes here, but it feels good and responsive here. On the video front, I just tested YouTube, but right now it's not working because the network sucks here at CeBIT, but let's play some other videos with the internal player. So again, if you know Archos, you know that they have a great quality players. What comes about the video quality, it's super when it works. So this is no difference here. It plays 720p videos up till was it like a 2 megs per second, so that's pretty nice. Also they have a new Explorer for way easier navigation of your SD card flash and so on, so that's a good thing. And a music player, good for podcasts and music. It's cool. The audio on the device is not that you can hear it's loud, not super loud, but still loud, and working nicely. Only stereo speakers this time, so on a Archos 5 we only have one mono speaker, so that's a good thing. And going to the back, as a home device it's good to have a stand, so it stands still nicely at home. Again, let's go through the device a bit. So nothing on the bottom, USB for file transfer and hopefully also for charging. I have to ask that actually. Then the power plug, then the 3.5mm headset port or headphone port, SD, and then power and lock button. So you can actually lock the screen. So if you don't wanna leave it on but don't wanna have your touching working on it, it's okay. Other stuff, the feeling of it feels actually exactly the same as the Archos 5, which is a good thing. It's slim, it's really light, it's cool. For ebook reading, this might be also a good device, but one thing right now on this particular device is that it doesn't have the accelerator, so it doesn't go to portrait. But maybe there is a software that can enable that, or maybe Archos is doing something about that. I don't know yet. I remember Aldico was a good player to actually turn the screen anyway, so hopefully that works. Haven't tested yet. So this is the Archos 7 home tablet. Nice pricing, nice design, feels quality product, and it should be out in a few weeks. So keep your eye on that if you are interested in a small tablets. I think this is cool, and I have to think myself of getting one, especially for reading, especially for sofa surfing, for small task in hand. But again, as it's not the latest and the greatest CPU, you have to be a little bit careful on what you install that so not all things at once. I'm liking that. We also had the news yesterday about the Archos Home Tablet 8, but they don't actually have it here at CeBIT, so we have to settle for the 7 right now. The 8 will come later, so we should see that then. So this was now Archos 7 at CeBIT 2010, and I'm JKK from JKK Mobile, as you should know, and plenty of more videos coming soon. Thank you, bye.